very flag, as the flag of peace unfurled, I shall serve my community, help achieve universal unity. I shall dedicate my all. World understanding shall be my cherished goal. With a four-way test, I'll pursue my quest, given my little way.
We have been chosen to join to be members of the Rotary Club of Malate Prime because its past presidents, officers, and club members believe that each and every one of you will one day be a leader in your respective and chosen vocation. Meron pa kayong chosen vocation? And mamaya pag-usapan natin yan sa membership. And that you manifest those leadership qualities of heart and in mind which fit you to interpret and impart the message of Rotary in the community at large. In your chosen vocation, any contribution of educational value pertaining to your business must and naturally come to us through you. On the other hand, you become an ambassador from us to your classification, and it becomes your duty to carry the ideals and principles of service, which we seek to inspire to the persons whom you have the honor to represent. Membership in Rotary places upon you many obligations, and we believe that you will welcome such responsibilities as opportunities for service. As the cultivation of fellowship is one of the first aims and rewards of your Rotary membership, your regular attendance at our weekly meetings is primordial. So, kinakailangan patid po kayo ng weekly meeting. You will find Rotary a congenial and helpful influence to which you are expected to contribute in service and fellowship. Our adopted communities will know and judge Rotary by your actions, performances and ideals as associated with your business, and we recommend as your guiding light the Rotary 40 test and Rotary's motto, service above self. In a little while, our club president will induct and present to you our club print, by which your fellow Rotarians and the public at large will recognize you as the blue-blooded Rotarian, which you will wear in every regular weekly meetings of the club, district, or international Rotary gatherings with honor and pride. Nasarapin ko. Okay, serious dapat, serious. We trust that you will enjoy this new adventure in service, and we most heartily offer you the right hand of Rotary Fellowship. Having heard all this, do you fully understand them all, and are you now prepared to join the family of the Rotary Club of Malate, District 3810 of the Rotary International? Hindi ba yata napakain to? One more time. Having heard all this, do you fully understand them all, and are you now prepared to join the family of the Rotary Club of Malate Prime, District 3810 of the Rotary International? Yes! Ayan, nadinig ko rin. Tingin na nga ako, di ko pa kayo matinig. Having heard your resounding affirmation, Madam President, your new members are now ready for induction. Due to the solemnity of the occasion, may we request everyone to please rise while the new members are being inducted. Accordingly, I will bring us in deference to our past district governor, who will be doing the induction.
I state your name. Having been admitted as member of the Rotary Club of Malapit Drive, I hereby solemnly swear that I will uphold and defend the Constitution and bylaws of my club, that I will further uphold the ideals of service of Rotary, which is service above self, and be prepared to translate these ideals into reality. That I will do my best to help develop the Rotary Club of Malapit Drive into a strong and successful working club, and that I will impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. Congratulations.
Officers of both clubs, will you please welcome our new club members? Officers, club officers,